Hi, I'm Rebecca, Testing Consultant, Acolade Consulting. Thank you all for registering for today's webinar session. I am going to present about functional testing of Oracle ADF Fusion application using Oracle Functional Testing Tool, which is a component of Oracle Application Testing Suite. Acolade Consulting is a company specialized in providing independent testing services to its clients. We are the Oracle's first Enterprise Manager Application Quality Management Solutions specialized partner. Also an approved vendor to Australian Government, Oracle Corporation and IBM. The purpose of this demonstration is to give an understanding of how the entire testing automation of an Oracle ADF Fusion application can be completely managed using Functional Testing Tool. Test automation is done using Oracle Functional Testing Tool. This will also give an understanding of the automation framework that we can develop to automate Oracle ADF Fusion application. Oracle testing products are called Oracle Application Testing Suite, OATS, which is a part of Oracle Enterprise Manager Quality Management Suite. One of the part of Suite is Oracle Functional Testing Tool. Oracle Functional Testing Tool uses OpenScript to perform automated functional and regression testing. OpenScript is an Eclipse IDE-based tool using Java as a scripting language. The tool has a standard record playback capability with the ability of writing Java code for expert users. The scripts that are written have a standard Eclipse view of the Java code as well as a hierarchical view. Oracle Application Development Framework. Oracle ADF is an end-to-end Java EE framework that simplifies application development by providing out-of-the-box infrastructure, services, and a visual and declarative development experience. The framework provides integrated infrastructure solutions for the various layers of the application and an easy way to develop on top of them. Oracle ADF simplifies Java EE development by minimizing the need to write code that implements the application's infrastructure, allowing the users to focus on the features of the actual application. Oracle ADF provides these infrastructure implementations as part of the framework. Acolade specializes in developing applications using ADF business components and JSF. I am now taking you through the Oracle Functional Testing Tool, where the test automation is done on an Oracle ADF Fusion application. Let us move to OpenScript tool to have a look at how scripts are created, run and results verified. Automation scripts can be run either within Oracle Test Manager or from OpenScript interface tool itself. What we are seeing now is OpenScript interface with pre-developed scripts. Scripts can simulate the manual user transactions that are tested on application. Scripts can be displayed in either tree view or in Java code view. In tree view, scripts are arranged in a hierarchical order. OpenScript uses Java as a scripting language. To give an overview of test scenario, this is an end-to-end test scenario to validate employees manipulation, such as employee creation, employee deletion, and search an employee. This can be achieved by running a number of test cases. Scripts are created for every test cases that are required to cover end-to-end process. Running the script will go through Java code line by line and execute every command. The first code in the script will be for launching a browser, either Internet Explorer or Firefox, and the following code will be for entering required URL. The URL is stored in a data bank, which can be modified according to change in URL or test environment. Storing details dynamically external the script reduces the need for updating scripts every time when there is a change in details of script. When scripts run, a browser is launched and navigates to ADF Fusion application. In this demo for employee manipulation, such as employee creation, employee deletion, and search an employee, we have to go to the query mode, so the query button is clicked. Employee details are retrieved from the data bank by the script for the employee creation. All required details for employee creation are filled and Save button is clicked. After saving the employee details, browse and navigate to home page where we can see employee just created. Table shows the details of the employee just created, followed by an employee deletion script is executed. For deletion, we have to query an employee. We use primary key for searching an employee, and here it is, the employee ID. Employee ID of the employee to be deleted is retrieved from the data bank, and search button is clicked. The queried employee is deleted and the changes are saved. Followed by executing the script for exiting the ADF Fusion application. The overall testing actions are reported to the log for analytical review and historical purpose. What we have seen here today is an example of how we can use Oracle Functional Testing tool to work on an Oracle ADF Fusion application. The presentation provides an outline of Oracle ADF Fusion application's functional testing using OpenScript. As you have seen, the OpenScript helps users to run their automated scripts to execute the transaction and leverage the graphical scripting interface to analyze playback results, parameterize script inputs, and add custom test cases to validate application content. Acolade Consulting has extended industry best practice automation approach by developing exclusive automation framework to support various industry domains with the help of domain experts. We have architected design frameworks that will require minimum script code maintenance requiring highly technical staff. We specialize in developing and testing applications using ADF business components and JSF. Acolade Consulting has a team of dedicated Oracle ADF Fusion application testing consultants who are specialized in automation testing using OpenScript. We have undertaken many projects using this tool and successfully delivered these projects. No matter how complex your project is, we will provide the expertise and experience to get the project completed on time and under budget. All these services are available on a number of engagement models covering client in-house, off-site, privately hosted cloud, public cloud, and so on. Thanks for your time today, and I hope you found this session useful. Appreciate if you leave us your feedback, or if you have any queries, please write to us on info@acolade.com.au. and our team will be in touch with you. I encourage you to view a series of videos on various interesting yet challenging topics regarding testing and quality management. Also to join oracleats.com, a dedicated forum to learn and exchange solutions. At Acolade, your success is our business. Thank you.